In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Bank of America branch hours near you. We'll walk through a simple, reliable way to check when your local branch is open, including weekday and Saturday schedules. This is helpful if you're planning a visit and want to avoid a wasted trip or a long wait. Start by opening a web browser on your computer or phone, or launch the Bank of America mobile app if you have it installed. Either option works the same for this purpose. If you're using the app, make sure it's updated to the latest version so everything loads correctly. You don't need to sign in just to see hours, so this is quick and easy. Next, look for the Branch ATM Locator tool. On the website, you'll typically find a locations link near the top of the page or in the main menu. In the mobile app, tap the Locations or ATMs Financial Centers option on the home screen or in the navigation bar. This tool is designed to help you find nearby financial centers and ATMs in just a few taps. When the locator opens, enter your city and state or your zip code into the search field. If you prefer, you can allow GPS access so the locator can use your current location automatically. Granting location permission usually provides the most accurate results, especially if you're in an unfamiliar area. If you'd rather not share your location, typing in a zip code is a great alternative for focused results. You'll now see a list or map of nearby options. Choose a financial center from the results to see more details. Pay attention to the labels. Branches or financial centers are where you can meet with staff, while some results may be ATMs only. Select the exact location you plan to visit so you get the correct information for that branch. On the branch details page, look for operating hours. You'll see weekday hours and, if available, Saturday hours listed clearly. Most branches close around 5 p.m. on weekdays, though some may stay open until 6 p.m. Saturdays typically have limited hours, commonly from 9 a.m. to 1 p.m., and some locations might not open on Saturdays at all. Hours can vary by neighborhood and can change during holidays, so it's a good idea to check the listing on the day you plan to go. If the page shows special notes, drive-through availability, or appointment options, review those too so you can plan accordingly. That's all there is to it. Open the site or app, use the locator, enter your location or allow GPS, pick a branch, and review the posted hours. This quick check helps you arrive at the right time and get what you need without any hassle.